Alright, so lawnmower is it won't stay running. It'll turn on, and then I'll have to keep priming it to keep it running. So I think there's something wrong with the carb. Possibly not enough vacuum to pull fuel. Let me show you what it's doing. Okay, now watch it let it turn it. Had fuel, taking out the carb, and nice and full. So it's not a fuel issue, at least not a fuel supply issue to the carb. There's the actual float bowl I just removed. And you can see a lot of sediment there, which I'm sure does not help things, but I don't think that's the issue, because obviously it runs. I'm going to try to blow out the jet, and my guess it's the O-ring around this float bowl is not sealing properly, and it's not getting providing enough seal for the vacuum. Anyways, we'll see. I don't have a replacement O-ring just yet, so I put some old motor oil around the ring there, around the O-ring. So hopefully it'll seal a little better. Kind of like what you do when you're testing cylinder pressure. You kind of lube the pistons up with oil. We'll see if that works. I blew out the jet. Float bowl was good, but we'll see if this oil helps out. The O-ring that goes to the engine. Help seal that up a little better too. Alright, let's see if that helped any. Guess not. The jet. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this, but I keep it running with starter fluid, and I can actually see the squirt of the fuel. So I'm kind of thinking that whole mechanism is working. I'll show you what I mean. Let me put the phone down for a second so I can start her up. Just gonna spray some starting fluid in there. Hard to film that and do that at the same time. I don't know if you guys saw that, but you can see the little drops of fuel coming up from the jet. So I guess that part's working. I'm gonna try to get a better shot of that. See if you guys can see it. Alright, so I did a little more digging on YouTube, and there's a video by a Bruce Pender, and he mentioned that this hole here in the bottom plug of the carb bowl, float bowl, needs to be cleaned. I never even thought about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to run some compressed air through there, maybe a thin wire, clean that out, see if that helps. I haven't tested it yet, but already, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I just pushed this cable through. I didn't even know there was another hole on this side, but it was completely plugged up. I don't know if you can see on the cable, but there was a whole plug in that second hole. So yeah, and I had seen the hole on this side, but I didn't even know there was a hole on that side. When I pushed the cable through, it kind of popped out. You can see the green gunk on there. 1 second, hon, let me finish this. And then, so I have a feeling that might be it. I'm also going to clean this top one and see what's up. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see. Awesome. Looks like that was it. You can still hear it kind of surging, so it probably needs a lot more maintenance and stuff. This is a real old mower, but it looks like that was the issue. That bottom bolt needed to be cleaned out real good. So there was some fuel coming through, but not enough to keep it going. Well, thanks very much to Bruce Pender for that tip. I'll make sure to give you credit in the description. All right, guys.